According to the National Fire Protection Association, nearly 17,000 dryer fires are reported each year. These fires cause around 51 deaths, 380 injuries, and $236 million in property loss each year. Those numbers are way higher than I would have expected, which makes this video that much more important. This is something that you can safely put on your annual checklist. The best way to knock this out is to pick up an inexpensive vent cleaning kit from your local hardware store or online. It looks like this. Now this can be used with or without a drill. But if I know you, and I'd like to think that I do, you're gonna wanna hook this bad boy up to a drill. Once you're all hooked up, let her rip. Wow, what a difference this simple maintenance can make. Because, let's be real, the last thing you need is some lint burning your whole house down. Don't let lint win the war like that. Put this on your annual checklist and get it done. Thanks for watching. And check out the next video where we dive into maintaining your exterior paint to keep your siding and whole house in good health. We'll see you then.